Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. I first made this berry sauce for cheesecake, but it also goes well with yogurt, some other cakes, and ice cream. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Blueberry, sugar, water, lemon juice, cornstarch, vanilla extract, lemon zest. Now let's make it. Thaw the berries if they're frozen. Add berries, sugar, and lemon juice to medium-sized saucepan. Bring to a low boil and then reduce to a simmer. Keep reading. Separately, mix the cornstarch or flour with about 2 tablespoons of cold water. Slowly stir this into the saucepan. Continue simmering until sauce thickens and sticks to the back of a metal spoon, about 5 minutes. Remove from heat, and stir in optional lemon zest and vanilla flavoring. Transfer to a storage container until ready to use. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. For many more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.